Hi, this is Narasimha Kumar. Welcome to Akshay Money Management for July series. Today, the lot of questions is being asked about the inflation. Inflation is increasing. Is it a problem for the stock market? Will stock market going to correct? If correction happens, will it going to 20% or 30%? How much? So we have seen that both the wholesale and the retail prices are shooting up. So it is year-on-year basis we're an all-time high. So let us see how is this inflation going to impact the stock market. So for that one, let me tell a small story. So in a town, there was a called as a Tirumala Acharya. So he used to think always to start the bakery as a business. So he had taken a loan and he started his business. So he named this the business called as a BB Bakery. So every day he successfully used to sell initially 3 cakes per day. So at the rate of 200 rupees, so almost 90 cakes he used to sell it per month. And he also have the helpers to prepare these cakes. And so end of the first month, when he saw, he got almost like 18,000 rupees as his income, whereas expenditures, he need to pay rent, salary, loan to the EMI, and variable expenditures took almost 44,000 was his expenditures. So first month was a loss of 26,000 rupees. So he started calculating, if I make at least 10 cakes per day basis, if I sell it, then only I can able to do just a break even. So over a period of time, he achieved that one, and now he's selling almost like a 10 cakes per day, but the profit is hardly 3,000 rupees. So he was not happy because in a month he need to sell almost 300 cakes, but still his profit is only 3,000 rupees. Meanwhile, he already created a small brand and his cakes were very tasty and people used to walk in to his shop to buy his cakes. So he felt that okay, I cannot sell more than 300 per month basis cakes, but let me increase the rates. So every quarter he used to increase at the rate of 20% his cake price. And end of the 1 year, he increased almost 50% the cake price from 200 to 300. Now he started making the profit. So every month he starts 24,000 rupees as a profit, he starts seeing it. So what I'm saying is here the price is increasing. So if you relate same thing in the stock market, today you name any commodity, all the prices are shooting up from 100 to become 181. The steel prices, copper 188, and it may be a rubber 170. So these all commodities has increased their rates. By increasing rates, what is going to happen? Let us see. Now let us come back to the again story. Since people are not able to afford the cakes, so he started making a varieties of cakes in small pieces so that people can enjoy his cake. So a lot of people used to come and have that. Over a period of time, what are the loan he had taken for the bakery, he had repaid it and he became a debt free. What are the earnings comes? It is entirely as a profit. Tirumala Acharya was happy to see the very good profits. The same thing happening in the stock market also. If you see top 10 companies, it may be Tata Steel, which was 1,16 crores, they reduced to 88,000 crores. So they reduced their debts by 24%. Tata Power, they reduced up to 57%. Vedanta 37%, Jindal Steel 41%. So like that, a lot of big companies had started reducing their debts. So if they reduce, what will happen? Obviously, their profits increases. You can see some of the Nifty Next companies, their profits is all-time high. Vedanta, if you see 11,588 crores, they have declared their profits in the last year. HPCL 10,000. So like that, you see Aravindo Pharma or Muthoot Finance or Bajaj. So these all the companies had declared very good and profits. Because one thing is they're reducing the debt. The second thing is the demand is still on. So this is making them to see the more profits in their company. So again, coming back to that bakery. So once he saw a lot of people are liking this one, even though he increased the rates, so he started from one branch to 3 branches he started. So What happened? Exactly the same thing happening in the Indian stock market also. We have spoken about the steel. Let us speak about the electronics. So if you see electronics imports and exports, it is almost the same as on end of 2018. After that one, if you see exports, electronic exports was increasing it, and imports is gone down drastically. So if you see last 1 year, exports of electronic goods is doubled. So you can see what is the opportunity India has. And if you see the steel, Tata Steel MD says that they're ready to open a one more steel. So just imagine a new steel plant coming into Indian market is almost giving the opportunity of 10,000 job opportunities. So one side our exports are increasing. Second thing, we're expanding our, how we are seeing the bakery, one bakery becoming three bakeries. We are seeing a big industries are setting up the new plants, which gives a good opportunity for the jobs. And this opportunity for investors are seeing it, and they are investing in as a FDI's flow. If you see last 12 months or 24 months, India is the highest inflow among the Asian other countries. To sum up, that one bakery which has been successful, that mantra he implemented, today he is having a nearly 2,000 outlets in India. Maybe by now you will be knowing that what is a brand which I'm speaking, which is a brand BB he started. Today it is called as a famous Iyengar bakery. So similarly, our Indian stock market also right now in the sweet spot, because we are expanding, our employment rates is increasing, and a lot of people are getting the benefit of the exports. Actually, if you ask me, inflation is good for the corporate's earnings. If you see this small data graphic I'm able to show you, you can see this yellow line from 1995 to 2000, our inflation was going down. So when inflation goes down, the blue bars, what you're seeing is the profits of the corporates. So as the inflation is going down, profits also, and from almost like a 2000 to 2008, you're seeing the stock market has increased because the earnings of the company increased. Now, at the same time, inflation also increased. And again, from 2008 or 2010 onwards, we have seen the inflation has gone down, and gradually profits of the corporates also is gone down. To be frank, last couple of years we are the bottom of the earnings of the corporates. So now inflation increases, corporates also is increased. So the stock market is started, because for stock market, what exactly we wanted, companies should make the profits. When company makes a profit, company stocks will go up. When company stocks will go up, obviously stock market will go up. So actually inflation is nothing to worry. Inflation is good for the corporates. In fact, it is good for the stock market. Thank you. Let us catch up in the next month series. Bye.
Last month's stocks. Nifty in 1 month has given 1%. Let us see Akshaya stock pick performance. IIFL has given 3%, CDSL has given 6.5, ICICI Securities has given 21%. This month's stock pick. Haikel Limited, Klex Service Limited. Thanks for watching.